Today I'm going to show you how to wrap porch columns. The posts that I'm wrapping are a standard 4x4 post, or they're actually 3.5 inches thick by 3.5 inches wide. You can find a full list of the products I use for this project, as well as a step-by-step tutorial on my website by clicking on the link below this video. Let's get started. I am using an exterior material that is the same width as the sides of the post. I first start by clamping the board onto the post, then I nail it into place. For the next side piece, I do have to add spacers to give it the width that it needs to be for the front 6-inch board that I'm going to be using. These spacers are 3.5 inches thick. I'm using a tape measure so that I can space the spacers every 2 feet. I again clamp the board to the post and make sure everything is level, and then I finish marking out where I need to put my spacer. Next, I nail the board into place through the spacers, making sure I'm not hitting the nail on the other side. After the side pieces are installed, it's time to add the front board. Something that I haven't mentioned is that these boards are not flush with the cement. I left a little space just so water can seep out from the board without warping it. I install the board the same way using clamps and nailing into place, but this time I'm doing 2 nails in each place. Now you may have noticed that this porch is actually new to our house. I do share the process of us adding this porch to our existing house on my website, and I have included a link in the description below. So be sure to check it out if you're interested. I do want to mention that the video cut out and didn't show me finishing this side of the board, so I did finish nailing it into place. Now let's add the trim at the base of the post. As I stated before, I am leaving a gap at the bottom to let water seep out. I am choosing to do a 3/8 inch, but I would recommend probably a 1/4 inch gap, but you can decide on that. As you've noticed, I placed the spacer on the concrete, then I secure the trim piece, which is the width of the side of the board, into place with a clamp, and then I nail into place. Please note I am making sure I am missing other nails, but also the metal piece that is holding the actual post into the concrete. And that's it for installing the wood. As you can see, there is a plastic residue where the nail is. That is the plastic that's wrapped around the nail, and I do go through and remove all of those before I caulk the seams and caulk the nail holes. And then I paint with an exterior paint. And that's it for how I wrap my post columns. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more.